Alright, welcome to my channel. This one's going to be about some Olsa wrenches. I've already shown them before, but this is a review after they've been used for a while. So let's get into it. Alright, here they are. You see they're to push to reverse. I did a video on these. Olsa gave me these, and I did the review video on them. This is the metric set. Goes from 8 to 19, no skips. Now these are supposed to have a lifetime warranty, but I looked on their website and their Amazon page, and I can't find these. They have ratchet wrenches, but not these push to reverse ones. So I don't know if they're out of stock or they discontinued them or what. So I mean, if you break one, I don't know what you're supposed to do to get it replaced unless you just send it to them and they give you a different type wrench, ratchet wrench. I don't know, but anyway, here's the standard set. Goes from 5/16 up to 3/4. Of course, no skips on both of them. Now, here's the thing. I didn't really need these. And as I said in my other video, there you go. Here's 16. Better view of it. Anyway, as I said in my other video, getting them to reverse, because you're supposed to, if you're on the bolt, you're supposed to push that way and turn in the direction you want to go, and it's supposed to reverse. I mentioned then that it could be kind of weird and hard to get used to. I haven't used these other than that review video. I gave them to my son so he could use them because he needed some ratchet wrenches. Well, guess what? He's had them for a while since since I did the review on this. He don't like them. In fact, he tried to, I think, trade them or sell them to one of the other guys at work at his job. And they used one time and they said, here, I don't want them. They don't like them either. Problem is, while you're using it, it'll reverse and start going the other way. And I mentioned that when I very first reviewed these, that could be a problem. It could do that. Didn't know if it would, but it could, depending on how you're pulling on the wrench or whatever. And especially after they get worn in a little bit. Well, that's why they're back. He didn't like them because he got tired of them reversing on him for no reason. So I got them back. So I'm going to try them for a while. I don't know what I'm going to do with them. I don't really need them. That's why I gave them to him. I got Blue Point ratchet wrenches. So I guess now I got to find another place in the toolbox for them to fit. Even though these came on wrench holders, and I guess he's using the wrench holders. That part's good, I guess, right? But he didn't need the wrenches, or he didn't want the wrenches anymore. So before he actually sold them, he asked me if I wanted them back. I don't know what I'm going to do with them. I may give them back to him and let him sell them to somebody or whatever, trade them, whatever he can do. I don't know. I don't know what to do with them yet. We'll see. If I use them a little bit and they do that, then I don't know. I wouldn't want nobody to go through that. Like I said, we'll see. And I'll let you know. I'm not going to do another video on them. I'll just leave a comment in this video how they're holding up. I did want to say that they are good wrenches. Just don't know about the ratchet part of them. I guess if you're careful and you're not pushing in on it, maybe it'll be all right and it won't reverse by itself when you're not wanting it to reverse. I don't know. I'll have to use them to see. But he was having problems with it, and so was one of the other guys that tried them had the same problem. But I mean, as far as the wrench goes and the ratchet part, it works fine. They're good wrenches. We'll see. Anyway, just wanted to give you that little short update on them. I'll let you know. That's all I got for this video. Thanks for watching. Like always, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.